Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a quick little flocking tutorial. I'm going to use this spider die cut from AliExpress. I think it came with this spider web, I'm not sure though. And I just cut it out in 110-pound cardstock. So I was using my bigger Xyron, making multiples at a time. I was just sticking it 3 at a time and then running them through the machine. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to use like my little mini one to do a single spider in here, and I'm just going to shove him in there and run it through, and basically it just turns any type of piece of paper into a sticker or any other type of thin item that fits through this. So I'm just going to pull it through. It's gonna be sticky, kind of just rub it on so it adheres. Pull off the sticker backing, don't rip the spider off. I ball it up and I dab to get the excess sticky stuff. Peel off, you have your spider sticker. I've already been doing this, so I already have my flocking powder in my little tray, but it's literally like shredded velvet. So once it's done, anything that you flock in any color just feels like a velvet finish, which is super cool. I love it. So I'm just pressing down, really compacting that flocking powder down. There was some extra sticky stuff, so I'm trying to show it's hard. Look at this, it looks furry, like a furry spider. I love it. So this will have some fallout, but nothing too crazy. Once I pat these off when I'm done, it stays on there pretty good. With glue, not so much, but with tape, it does. So that is my quick little tutorial, and I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye, guys.